So behold the adapter, that is Type-C adapter. But wait, there are just 3 of them. I'll swipe left before the intro. Hello YouTube, Dion from M.A.D with the unboxing of this IP to Type-C adapter by XO, and this one is in fact 3 of them. Now these are lightning converters to USB Type-C, and this is a really great solution for anyone with an iPhone on the go. Now this is a plug-and-play solution that can also transfer data, and it is highly portable, and with this just connect your old lightning cables and use them as a USB Type-C cable. And here on the rear side you can see an overview in various languages. There is also some Chinese there, and the website of XO, that's the manufacturer also, where it will be clearer there. So let's open the box and check closely this product and what it's in the box. So this one has a tray that you must pull out. Okay, I think this is it. Okay, here it is, and we have a small manual there. Now let's check this one, that it's really portable. We can open the other one later. Now I think this is okay, it is in Chinese also. Okay, some debris there. We also have different languages there. Well, actually not. It's only Chinese and English, and this is only the warranty card. Now this tiny and portable adapter, well, they used a lot of packaging material there. It can be easily attached to your keychain with this cord. As you can see, we have the typical USB Type-C end there, and you only have to connect this one with a lightning cable, and you can transfer files or even charging another USB Type-C device. Just connect the lightning cable here, and you can also remove the keychain locker here like that, and you can just connect it again. This can be really handy, and you can carry this one with a lightning cable and you use it with another smartphone. I guess you can use them with a new MacBook Neo or even some other devices with USB Type-C. You can see here all the others are the same. It's a shame that you cannot charge with this the MacBook Neo. Now you can use these adapters for charging also, but they are only 12 watts. So this was the unboxing of the XO IP to Type-C adapter that is really portable. Now feel free to leave us a like, subscribe, and as always from M.A.D, thank you for watching. See you at the next one.